Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to disable automatic updates on your computers. And at times you may be working on your project and suddenly Windows update comes, and of which it may take much time, and that's causing delay to your work. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10. So we are going to be using only two steps. So the first step, what you're going to do, you go to your Windows Start icon here, you right click on it, then you click on Run. So when it displays, it will display this window. So here you type in services.msc, then after you press OK. So when you press OK, it's going to display this window. So here you select on any application, then you press W because you're searching for Windows Update. So Windows Update is here. So on Windows Update icon, you right click and then you go to Properties. So under here, you're going to come here on Setup Type, Startup Type. So on the Startup Type, you have to select Disabled. So once you select Disabled, you go ahead and press OK, and then you press Apply, then you press OK. Then you go ahead and close this. So that is step one. Then step two, to make sure that the Windows Update are disabled permanently on your computer, still you go to your Start icon, you right click, then you click on Run. So here you're going to write there regedit. So once you type it regedit, you go ahead and you press OK. So here they're asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'm going to click yes. So once I click yes, it's going to display this interface. So once it displays this interface, as you're seeing, you have to go on HK local machine. You click on HK local. So once it displays this interface, you have to go ahead and click on this folder that has HK local machine. So I'm going to select this folder. So when you select the folder, you have to go ahead and click on what? On software. So this is the software folder. You click on it. You select HK local machine, then software. Then under software, you have to go ahead and click on what? On policies. So I come here and I click on policies. So it's going to display another folders. So under policies, you go ahead and click on what? Policies here. You go ahead and click on Microsoft. So when you click on Microsoft, still it's going to display other folders as you're seeing. So once you click on Microsoft, it's going to display this. So you go ahead and click on what? Windows. So I go ahead and I have to click on Windows. So when you click on Windows, still it's going to display this interface. So under Windows, you right click on it, then it will display this interface. You click on New, then you click on Key. So when you click on Key, as you're seeing, you're going to be creating a new folder. So you're going to give it a name of Windows Update. Windows Update, and you have to make sure that you don't leave there any space. So once you give it a name, Windows Update, still you go ahead within the same folder of Windows Update, you click New, you right click, then you click New, click on key as you're seeing, then you go ahead and create another folder and you give it a name of AU. So under our folder of AU, as you're seeing, you select on it, then you come on your right, this interface, you right click, then you go to new, then under here you have to select DW32-bit value. So when you select on it, it's going to display this file. So what you're going to do, you have to give it a name, and you type there no auto update, and you have to make sure that it is one word. Make sure that it is one word. You don't have to separate it. So once you have named it no auto update, you have to go ahead and you double click on it. So once you double click on it, you're going to give it a value, and a value, it's going to be 1 for disable. So once it's 1, it means that it's going to be disabled. So you go ahead and press OK. So once you press OK, that means you have permanently disabled all the Windows automatic updates on your computer. So thank you so much for watching this video, and share with your friend. See you in the new tutorial.